Hello everybody, we're back and now we will talk about pairs and list. I've uncommented the code. Let's run it real quick. Okay, it's done. Go back up to the top. Okay, we have this construction here, construction 1, 2, this tells it to make a pair. And it outputs and lets you know that you've made one pair. Okay, we have a composite here where you have a pair where the first element is actually a pair. And it shows you that by the little dots in between. Okay, you have CAR and CDR, which gives you the first and the second element in a pair. You see that you've done that. And in the pair 1, 2, it gives you the first one and the second one. The first one is a 1, the second one is a 2. Okay, let's see what makes a pair. Okay, right here we say, is this a pair? And it says, yes, this is a pair. Okay, for list, the source is the same as the pairs, it's just a little further down in it. And when you say null, Racket being a Lisp processing language, Lisp language, it talks about a null list. Now, if you construct a pair upon a pair upon a pair and they're connected like this, you get a list, and here's how it's annotated. It's annotated with a single quotation mark 0, 1, 2. Okay, some other fun with lists. Is this considered a list? It most certainly is. It's a list 0, 1, 2. Now, this by itself is not a list because it's a pair. A list is a set of pairs in which the first element is the element of the pair of that particular position, and the second one is the list itself. Okay. Can I make a list for any, meeny, and miny? I most certainly can. It printed out there. Now, next thing I want to get into some really neat features of lists. Okay, and you see where you have you see where you had this list ABBA ABBA, and we say, well, that's redundant, so we want to remove the duplicates and show what the results are, and the results are, sure enough, it adds just A and B. Now, I accidentally did this twice, but I will just parenthetically let you know that this will be good for the lab. Another tip that may be useful for the lab is notice that you can sort it, and here you got give a little instruction to sort it as a string, because otherwise it tries to store it as numerics. And as you can see down below here, aardvark is first, as it should be, since it starts with 2 A's. Alright, well, this comes to the end of the discussion on lists and pairs, and I hope you enjoyed it.